There is no hard and fast rule to design a house. And in this house, you will see modern and traditional architecture. And I'm sure you're going to love it.
Hi, welcome to our home. Please have a seat. छान आहे आतली.
Thank you.
आवडलं तुमका?
Yeah, it's very beautiful. कशें conceptualize can तुम्ही?
मी च्या घ्या आणि उलोया वांगडाच.
So yes, you were telling us that how Krishna came into your house.
स्टोरी अशी झाली, माझ्या आणि निमय कुंभारकर जो आमचो इंटेरियर डिझायन ज्यांनी हो कॉन्सेप्ट आमकां करपाक मदत केली आणि जेच्यो बरेचशे थॉट्स आणि आयडियाज ह्या कॉन्सेप्टान आसा. आमचें इनिशियल डिस्कशन आशिल्लें की हांगा आमी पयलीं शंकराचे वांगडा एक मुर्ती आसा ती बसोवपाची, पण ती सायज आनी फ्रेम फिट जायना जाली. सो फायनली वी डिसायडेड की आमी हांगा ओम करतले म्हणून आनी ऑर्डर दिली. निमयान ओम रेडी केलो आनी घेवन आयलो. आनी ज्या दिसा ओम हाडलो न्हू तो दीस आसलो कृष्ण जन्माष्टमीचो. आनी त्या निमयाच्या जे मनीस आशिल्ले तेंच्यांनी सगळे मटेरियल हांगा सकयल काडून दवरले फाटल्यान आमच्या पार्किंगेन. आनी हांव पावलो थंय आनी हांव पळयता जाल्यार थंय कृष्णाची मुर्ती आशिल्ली. आनी मुर्ती इतली प्रफुल्लीत आशिल्ली न्हू आनी पळयतकूच म्हाका सारकी ती मनान भरली. सो हांवें तेन्नाच निमयाक विचारलें ही मुर्ती म्हटल्यार तूं कोणाक हाडला? हांवें म्हटलें ऑर्डर करूंक ना. तो म्हणपाक तुका जाय. सो आय हॅड गिवन अ थॉट फॉर अ डे. नेक्स्ट डे फोन करून सांगलें निमयाक ओम नाका, आमी हांगा कृष्णाकूच घरान घेवन येवया, कारण जन्माष्टमी दिसा प्लॅनिंग नासतना कृष्ण आयला आनी ताका रिटर्न धाडप बरें जायना म्हटलें. सो आमी हांगा कृष्णाक हांगा स्थापन केलो. आमी घरांतले जेन्ना कोणी येता, आमी येता किंवा गेस्ट येता, पयलीं दर्शन हेचें जाता आनी आमचें मन प्रफुल्लीत जाता. तशेंच तुळशी वृंदावन सारकें एक्झॅक्टली फुड्यान आसा. सो जे रिलेशन बिटवीन कृष्णा आनी तुलसी आसा तो सुद्दां ह्या कॉन्सेप्टान आमी सांबाळून घेतलेलो आसा.
Nice sofa.
This sofa is customized and designed as per the room size because we have actually a very specific requirement for this. And colors are also vibrant and all selected by Nimay. Also this wall shelf, if you see, this was the suggestion which was given by Nimay. Width of the entry, it is too wide, so to cover it was suggested that we should have this shelf on both the sides so that it will reduce the width of the entry. And secondly, it goes with the color combination of the door, so it is exactly the match, so it goes very well with these colors. If you look at the ceiling lights, the combination is of warm and white. So as per the mood, when we want a bright light, white light, during the reading we use the white. जेन्ना घर बांदता तेन्ना प्रत्येक मनशाची इच्छा आसता की घरान एक जागो देवा खातीर, म्हणजे जंय बसून देवाची पुजा करूं शकता, जेका आमी देवघर म्हणटा, ती आसची. आनी आमची तशीच आशिल्ली इच्छा की देवघर आसचें म्हणून. पण कशें आसचें हेच्या बद्दल आमकां आयडिया नाशिल्ली केन्ना, तो आमचो सब्जेक्ट न्हू. पण जेन्ना हांवें निमयाचे बाकीचे व्हिडियोज पळयले इंस्टाचेर किंवा म्हाज्या फ्रेंडान रेफरन्स दिल्लो, हांवें पळयलें की तेणी जशें कोल्हापूर अंबाबाईक जशे पाशाणाचे दगड यूज केलेले आसा न्हू, असोच त्यांनी एक देवारो पळयल्लो हांवें, तो म्हाका रेफरन्स मेळ्ळो की निमयान केल्लो म्हणून. आमकां जशी आमची अमास आसता आनी बाकीचे ओकेजन आसता तेन्ना आमी हो देव लायट करता, तातूंत सुंदर असो वेगळो आमकां एक अनुभव येता.
For this kitchen, we have chose this white color and these combinations of wood because it is a trend and it never stop. It is continue. And color of tiles, we have chose this because it is a reflection of both light.
So this table concept looks really unique. So can you tell us something about it?
If you see each corner of this house, there is a unique story. We were thinking about what kind of table will suit the modern theme what we had adopted for this house. We checked in the market, most of the places it was only the wooden dining tables which are available. Then we got idea from Nimai saying that there is a new trend where top can be of the marble and combinations can be of some bright or some kind of color which will really suit. It is a kind of English or modern color. So with that thought process, how it has built, and there is a bench which has planned. So we don't have 6 chair table, 4 chair plus combination of a bench. So this is kind of a new concept. If you see the basin, anyways there was a provision for a basin and the countertop. But then Nimai came with a thought saying that he said in a house there should be at least one mirror when you can see your full image, which boosts the confidence. Initially, I was having the concept that whether we should put a big mirror so that when you come, you can see yourself into the mirror. Then second thought was that put a big frame with all the photos, like a family collage kind of thing. But when I expressed these ideas to Nimai told me that if we can put something, the artwork which is made up of the natural stone, that will last for a long and it will give a very different look to this house. He added these pebbles you see here. So these all pebbles are added over here. So with this light, it gives a different kind of reflection onto the wall. And also if you look at the lamp shades which are used on the ceiling, initial idea from my side was that we will put a chandelier, but Nimai said single chandelier looking at the entire area of this rectangle. So he suggested a new concept where you can put multiple shades of the lamp and it will work economical as well as it will cover the entire area. This Vastu is blessing of Sri Swami Samartha. So it was always my wish that we should have his image or ideal in some place where we can sit, we can relax, do some meditation, spend some time for reading and start feeling within ourselves.
So are you enjoying this new house?
Yes, very much, because I get my personal space and I can choose the color, and we can study whenever we want according to our time convenience.
With that intention, this is the space where I had kept it, where I can spend good time focusing, doing my work, reading. Also the kids can occupy this space when they want to do the studies, apart from the space where they are having in the bedroom. A separate area where you don't have any disturbance and it is open to the nature, because if it is an entrance to our terrace where you can get absolutely a natural view of the mountains and the valleys.
म्हाका हो जागो खूब आवडटा आनी आमी खेळटा, मागीर फ्रेंड्स येता आनी आमी पार्टी करता आनी म्युजीक वाजयता.
It is not only important that you dream for yourself, but it is important that other as well dream for you. So this house is not only my dream, but this is a dream of started with my father, Ramling Patil, and then taken it ahead with my friend who is the builder for this property, Paresh Pad. So he also had started dreaming for this, because I myself don't have that much of ideas or the subject expertise into the construction and into interiors. So to take the journey ahead, Mr. Nimay Kumbarkar has given absolutely a beautiful touch to this house with his thoughts, his innovative ideas, and yes, we can see, you can see actually how it has turned out. Also, my brother Santosh Patil and my family, my other friends, many of them has contributed. So that's why I'm saying this is not a dream which I had seen for myself, but others as well as.